One morning, a cobra was in the forest looking for food. Meanwhile, there is a bird's nest on a tree. The mother bird is about to leave to feed. The cobra also smelled the eggs. He approached the tree. The egg is alone in the bird's nest. There is no one around. Yes, the cobra decides to approach the target from the root of the tree. The cobra found the bird's nest before approaching their check for any dangers around. Meanwhile, the mother bird is looking for breakfast. She has found some delicious food. The cobra reaches its goal. The cobra's hunger increases as it reaches the top of the tree. Now the cobra has come right to the bird's nest. He is ready to eat the bird's eggs for breakfast. It looks like it will be a delicious day for the cobra. Wait a minute. The mother bird is here. She senses danger. Let's see what happens. The mother bird is ready to fight the cobra. The cobra is not ready to give up its hunt. The mother bird fights with the cobra to protect her eggs. The cobra finds it difficult to withstand the attacks from the mother bird. The cobra accepts defeat. He falls down from the tree. His hunt was unsuccessful. Mother bird celebrates her victory, but she is angry. Finally, everything was peaceful. The mother bird protected her eggs. A mother's love cannot be described in words.